Alright, what's up guys? Chef Austin with a new video here for you. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I smoke this brisket. So the first step, I'm going to be showing you how I made the injection that we use for the brisket. I'm going to be showing you how to inject it, how to season it, and then I'm going to be cooking it, pulling it off the grill, and showing you how it came out. So hopefully you enjoy today's video. Alright guys, so now we're going to start with the injection, and our first ingredient is some beef broth. I'll do probably about a like 2 cups. And then we got some Worcestershire. We got our Worcestershire sauce. Do probably about half a cup of this. Apple juice. Alright, that tastes gross. That was not what I was expecting. Damn, I don't know what to do now. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and do our injection. It took me a while. Didn't come out as good as I thought it was gonna come out. It tasted like pickles, so. That's good for the injection. We were also injecting it coming in from across the grain. You see the grain, the meat, the fibers are going this way, so you want to come in this way. And then whatever you have left on your injection, you want to keep that. And then you're going to use that as a binder on your other side of your brisket, as well as when you go to wrap it, add a little bit more moisture back in. So now we're going to go ahead and season it. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of Spanish treatment, you already know. Kind of change of plans here. I'll lightly dust it though, because I had a couple more seasonings that are gonna go on. There you go. Trying all this stuff out. Never tried it before. Chunked up. And our last thing, do some of this steak seasoning. Use a little bit of the coarser stuff. I think this is what gave you that pickle flavor. We're gonna let it sit for a couple minutes, flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. But what we're gonna do is just add some of the binder on top of it, lather it, and then coat it with seasoning again so it sticks. We're gonna let this sit for a couple minutes and let the ingredients sweat in and gets nice and stuck, and then we'll go ahead and flip it over. Alright, let's see what we're at temp wise. That 275-ish. I like 275 range, which would be nice. So if we keep it here at 275, it should cook in around probably 5 hours, and then while we let it sit and everything, so total cook time would be around probably 7 hours. We'll see. Everything's looking good in there. Alright, so we're gonna let that do its thing and then get our brisket ready. What's your step? Move to your right there. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the meat in the grill. Try to come in a little closer. Alright guys, so now we just put the meat in the grill. So now we gotta wait, check up on it a couple hours, make sure our temp doesn't drop too much, make sure our fuel in there is doing good, and yeah, now it's the waiting game. First, I'm gonna go ahead and check. Put one of these pieces of wood in there, a couple more splits. Heat these guys up, get them ready. We're gonna leave those dudes there, let them warm up, and then when we need more, we just get ready and put them in.
Five hours later.
Guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take the brisket off the grill. It's temping at like 180, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it and then put it back so it can finish cooking. Alright guys, so the meat reached a temp of like 206, so I'm gonna call it done there. I'm gonna go ahead, pull it off, and let it rest for about, I don't know, 30 minutes. You should let it rest for more, but we got people hungry here, so. Alright, you have to follow me. Wait. Touch there, here. Make it way easier. Burn my fingers. So follow the meat down like this. Alright, so now we're going to let it rest for a couple minutes and then we'll get ready to serve. Alright guys, so we let the brisket rest for about half an hour, maybe a little bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and take the first cut and see what it looks like. Zoom in on that. Yeah, that is a nice smoke right in that. That's called the bark on the outside. That's what you want.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Look at that. But look.
Oh yeah, look how juicy that is. Squeeze it again.
Zoom in.
Oh, do you guys see all that juice right there? Yep. What do you got to say about the brisket right there?
I'm hungry.
So we're gonna go ahead and cut into the brisket. You want to cut across the grain of the meat.
Yeah, about quarter inch pieces. What?
Juices. Yeah, boy.
That's grade A brisket right there.
You cut a slice. I made the beef.
See, what you guys got to do there is you got to cut about ½ an inch and then just run it down the grain.
Right.
Just run it down right there in the grain. Once you got about 4 pieces right there, quarter inch.
You just gotta steam.
You gotta get the color. See, look at the color. Looks like a sediment.
Oh yeah, that's Gordon Ramsay right there.
Ooh, thank you very much.
Look at that. All right, eat it. What it taste test?
Okay. I'm gonna try it. Good shit. Sorry, it's good. Very good.
Damn. That's fine.
Really savor the juices,
It's good. Yeah, really juicy.
the marination.
Good flavor.
Highly smoked, highly marinated,
Marinated.
not too salty.
Yep.
This is good meat right here. Grade A quality stuff.
Yep. It's good, very good.
Damn.
Wash it down with a beer.
Mucho, very good.
Oh yeah. Good job.